Hello guys, today we have another car, Chevrolet Taheo 2009 model. The problem of the car is the four-wheel, the transfer case is not working. So we have diagnosed the car, and the problem of the car, there is 3 cords as you can see. So let us first check what is the problem. So let us start the car. For starting, we will put the transmission to neutral. Whenever we are trying to shift the transfer case from one mode to another one, so we need to shift it to neutral first. So as you can see that the car is not engaging the four-wheel. As you can see, the auto four-wheel is not engaging. So now we are going to diagnostic procedure. So first we'll have to diagnose it by the computer. Let us see what is coming up. As you can see, we are diagnosing it. So yeah, it's taking a bit of time. So we will select Taheo 6 speed. So as you can see, description of the car. So let us check the transfer case where trouble codes are there. So we can work on that. Yeah, as you can see, there are 3 trouble codes. So first we'll have to clear the trouble codes. Let's see which one is remaining. Only one trouble code is remaining, that is for the front axle and also the light pop-ups and the dash. So as we can see, first we'll have to check all the fuses, if all the fuses are okay, because these fuses will give ignition current to the switch. So first let us check the fuses, if all of the fuses are okay or not. So we are checking the fuses. Once we done with the fuses, if all of the fuses are okay, then we'll have to lift the car on the lifter, and we'll check that the problem is with the switch, or either the problem is in the wiring. Maybe one of the wire, maybe the ignition wire is cut off, maybe the ground wire is cut off. So we have to lift the car on the jack. First of all, we need to check the switch, and the switch there should. Here is the switch located, this one. This is the switch which will engage the front axles and front differential. So let us check the switch if there is current and ground. If there is current and ground, so we will have to replace the switch. Let us check first the electricity, if it's coming or not. So disconnect the circuit of the switch. Yeah, we are looking for the ignition. Yeah, there is ignition voltage and there is ground, so it means the signal wires, we are going to check the signal wire. If the signal wires are okay, then the problem is with the switch. So let us take a continuity of the signal wires from the switch to the DTCM computer, transfer case control module. This is the switch. We are going to remove it and to check either it's working or not. So we have removed the switch from the car. Now we are going to check it. We are trying to shift it from 2-wheel to high. So if the pin of the switch will come out, if it's working, so the pin of the switch will come out. If it's not working, the pin of the switch won't come out. So that means that the switch is faulty. So our switch is faulty, so we have removed it from the car. Now we have replaced this switch. Now we are going to check is it working or not. So as you can see, the car is start, and now we are going to put it into the auto first, then to the low four-wheel, high four-wheel, and then low four-wheel. Put it to the auto. Yeah. As you can see, it came out. It means that this is working. Now we are going to install it to the car. After installing, we will check the four-wheel is working or either it's engaging or not. We have changed the switch. Just diagnosed. There's no trouble codes. So let us check either it's shifting now or not. Let us first, we need to put the transmission into neutral, and then try to shift to the auto first. Yeah, it's working. Now high 4-wheel. We're going to shift it to low 4-wheel. Yeah, it's working. As you can see, stability tracker is off, and now the car's in the low 4-wheel. We will check back shiftings from low to high. It is also working. Now auto, back to the 2-wheel. Yeah, so the problem was with that switch. As you can see, now there is no light, nothing, everything is working perfectly. And there's also no DTC, no trouble codes.